This will simulate a worst case scenario of an extended loss of power on a national level. A storm has rolled in and has dumped almost 12 inches of fresh snow on the ground. Suddenly, the lights go out. The grid is down. 7 days after. Continue monitoring your Liberty Band radio for information and again, maintain its charge. Maintain your security plan. Maximum awareness with a minimum profile. Shades drawn and low interior light signature. If you have a firearm, it should always be within arm's reach. Install the 4 Patriots security motion detecting lights at key and vulnerable areas of the exterior of your home, like your front door, back door, or even the side of your house. Ration water you have on hand using the melted snow collected first, in conjunction with using the 4 Patriots Sun Kettle to melt it. Additionally, use the 4 Patriots Pure Water Filtration System to ensure it's safe to drink. Your perishables are probably consumed, so switch to your 4 Patriots Survival Food Kits with a rationing plan of 2 meals a day. Again, use the 4 Patriots Sun Kettle to heat the water for food prep. Maintain your charging of the Patriot Power Generator using the solar panels and reconfigure your power usage. You no longer need to power your refrigerator. Use this power for lights and a heating unit. Continue to place all waste, especially human waste, at your exterior site, but use caution anytime you exit your home, and always carry your firearm or any self-defense item when traveling outside. Perform a self-assessment. This is basically a temperature check, monitoring any type of dehydration by looking at the color of your urine. Do a head to toe for any pain or irregularities. 14 days after. Continue monitoring your Liberty Band radio for information and maintain its charge. You are probably using the water stored in your hot water heater by now. Try to limit to no more than 2 liters per day. If there is still snow outside, continue to collect and melt, but never drink without using the Patriot Pure water filter. Things are getting bad, and there will be desperate people that are not as prepared as you. Be especially vigilant at night. Take this time to fortify possible entry points into your home, utilizing furniture as barricades and mattresses over windows. But ensure you have at least one possible escape route from your home. Continue your 2 meals a day of the 4 Patriots survival food. If you have the 4-week kit, this will last for a while. An electric hot plate plugged into your Patriot Power Generator will be ideal for heating water to prepare these meals. Under no circumstances should you use propane to heat water in the interior of your home. If you require prescription medication on a daily basis, take an inventory. You may want to take this every 36 hours instead of every 24 hours to stretch out its availability. Again, perform another self-assessment. Would it help to take aspirin or Motrin for any aches, pains, or fever? Incorporate stretching into your daily routine. It won't require much energy, but it'll be very beneficial both physically and mentally. Again, you are in this for the long haul. 30 days after. It's been a month since the power went out, but you are still alive. Take a moment to pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Now get back in the fight. Continue monitoring your Liberty Band radio for information and maintain its charge. Your primary concern should be water at this point. You've exhausted all melting snow, and the water stored in your hot water heater is running low. Switch to 1 liter a day for consumption and 1 liter a day for food prep. Continue to maintain your security awareness. This is not the time to slack off. Because you are reducing the use of water by 50%, replace the 4 Patriots Survival Food Bars as one of your meals with the 4 Patriots Survival Food as your second. Not only are you physically wiped out, but more so mentally. You have to maintain a positive attitude. You have food, water, shelter, and are relatively healthy. You are in a much better place than the vast majority of people enduring this catastrophe. Stay busy, stay focused, don't quit. The lights just came on. Congratulations. You are a survivor, not a statistic. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.